Hello dear friends, if you like the videos, subscribe my YouTube channel Topics with Fayaz and press the bell icon for upcoming videos.
Hello dear buddies, how are you today? I hope you are doing great and everything is okay. Our topic for today is how to respond to emotions that are just appearing. So let's start with our topic today. What should you do when you observe subtle emotion expressions like the ones you have just learned to recognize in the person you are talking to? First of all, stay calm. As Charles Darwin wrote in The Expression of the Emotions in Men and Animals, when we witness any deep emotion, our sympathy is so strongly excited that close observation is forgotten or rendered almost impossible. For any subtle expressions, you never know if the person wants you to know about her emotional state or not. Before you choose to respond to the emotion, you should also determine if what you are seeing is a weak emotion or a strong one that is being controlled. The easiest way to do it is to pay attention to the context. If you notice the emotion right at the beginning of a conversation, the source of the emotion probably isn't whatever you are talking about. Then it's more likely that she brought this emotion with her into the conversation. It may not have anything to do with your relationship and is probably related to something that happened to her earlier. But it could also be about the expectations she has of the conversation or where she thinks it may go. Most emotional expressions last no longer than a few seconds. How long they last depends on the intensity of the emotion. An intense short expression that is just flashes by is an indication that the emotion is being consciously or unconsciously discussed. A less intense expression that lasts longer is more often indicative of conscious repression of the emotion. We are presuming here that she isn't simply coming out and telling you how she feels. There are some emotions you will want to keep from erupting fully. You should respond to them as soon as you see signs of them, preferably before she becomes aware of them herself. For other emotions, it's enough to respond to them indirectly and give them some space in the conversation. What follows are some solid strategies for responding to each of the different basic emotions we have been exploring, although I have skipped surprise and joy since they rarely need to be handled. Thank you very much.